हेलो फ्रेंड्स, HPSSC हमीरपुर की तरफ से अकाउंटेंट पोस्ट कोड 898 का 5 अगस्त 2021 को एग्ज़ाम हुआ है। तो उसी की हम सारे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे पार्ट वाइज अलग अलग वीडियोस में। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट में ये 117 क्वेश्चन से लेकर आगे तक हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियोस जल्दी ही आती रहेंगी, इसलिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा ताकि कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट आपसे ये वीडियो मिस ना हो। शुरू करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। 117th क्वेश्चन है द फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स यूज्ड डैश फॉर सर्क्यूटरी। सो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स। 118 विच इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ मेमोरी फाउंड इन द मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर्स। सो द राइट आंसर विल बी रैम, ऑप्शन ए। 119 डिजिटल कंप्यूटर परफॉर्म्स इट्स computations बाय, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी काउंटिंग। 120th documents converted to can be published to the web, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी HTML। 121st question, which viceroy designed 9-hole golf course at Naldehra? So it was Lord Curzon, option A will be correct। 122nd, Great Himalayan National Park is situated in which district of Himachal Pradesh? So it is in district Kullu, option A will be correct। 123rd, the first Parshuram Awards were announced in Himachal Pradesh in which year? So it was announced in 1987. Option C will be correct. Moving on to the next, 124th. Who became the youngest girl in the world to scale the Mount Everest? So it was Dicky Dolma. Option A will be correct. 125th, the first person from HP to receive the Victoria Cross was? So it was Honorary Captain Bhandari Ram. Option B will be correct। 126th, कुल्लू देश की कहानी बुक वॉज रिटन बाय लालचंद प्रार्थी, ऑप्शन डी। वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चन इन हिमाचल प्रदेश एग्जाम्स। 127 विच इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट मोनेस्ट्री इन द वर्ल्ड? सो इट इज़ ताबो मोनेस्ट्री, ऑप्शन बी विल बी करेक्ट। अगर आपको इस क्वेश्चन पेपर की PDF चाहिए तो वो हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे मिल जाएगी आपको, उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। आप लिंक से उसको वहाँ पर जाके फॉलो कर सकते हैं, ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं ग्रुप को। नेक्स्ट है 128th, रघुनाथ टेम्पल इज लोकेटेड इन विच प्लेस इन हिमाचल प्रदेश? तो इट इज लोकेटेड इन कुल्लू, ऑप्शन ए विल बी करेक्ट। 129th, शूलिनी फेयर इज सेलिब्रेटेड एट विच प्लेस इन हिमाचल? सो इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन सोलन, ऑप्शन डी विल बी करेक्ट। 130th, छाबा हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन विच रिवर इन हिमाचल? सो इट इज ऑन रिवर सतलुज, ऑप्शन ए विल बी करेक्ट। 131st, Sundarnagar was founded by Beer Sen, option B will be right। 132nd, Mandi state was an offshoot of which princely state? So right answer will be Suket, option D will be correct। 133rd, Rivalsar lake is situated in which district of Himachal? So it is in Mandi district, option D will be correct। 134th, Pangi valley is situated in which district of Himachal? It is in Chamba district, option A will be correct। 135th, which is the smallest administrative division of HP? So if we see the total area, at Kangra will be the smallest, option A will be correct। 136th, A76 which was recently in news it is an iceberg, option B is correct। 137th, the first Indian descent player who won the mixed martial artist world championship recently it is Arjun Bhullar, option A। 138th, K. Raja Narayanan, who recently passed away, was an award-winning writer of which language? He was a Tamil writer, option A will be correct। 139th, how many meaningful English words can be made from the letters A, D, E, R? So only 3 words can be made: dear, read and dare. So option C will be correct। Next is, which synthetic fiber is known as artificial silk? So it is rayon, option B will be correct। Next, in an engine run on diesel, ignition is caused through compression, option D will be correct। 145th, saliva in human it is neutral, neither it is acidic nor alkaline, it is neutral, option C will be correct। 146th, which is not a rabid animal? मतलब which animal out of these does not cause rabies? So it is deer, option C will be correct। 147th, the pioneer in preaching Nirguna Bhakti in medieval India was? It was Ramananda, option C will be right। Next, which Delhi Sultan has been described by the historians as a mixture two opposites? So it was Muhammad bin Tughlaq, option C is correct। Next, who laid the foundations of Portuguese power in India? So it was Alfonso de Albuquerque। Next, 150th, the Buddhist sculpture and art is found at Amravati. Option A will be correct. 151st, the English weekly edited by Mahatma Gandhi it was Young India. Option D will be correct. 152nd, what is the subject matter of Upanishad? It is philosophy. Actually, it is religion and philosophy, but if they are given differently, then you will select philosophy. Option C. 153rd, the constitution provides for the nomination to the Lok Sabha which two members belonging to the community of Anglo-Indians. Option A will be correct. Next, the state according to the constitution includes the all of these: executive, legislature and local bodies. All of these will be correct. 155th, which is not a panchayati raj institution, so it is Gram Cooperative Society. Option C. 156th, India was a parliamentary system. It is a parliamentary system. Option A is correct. Next, the first attempt to initiate economic planning in India was made by M. Vishvesaraiya. Option C is correct. 158th, which is not a program under rural development, so it is RDCI. 159th, warm dry winds blowing down the east slopes of Rockies are known as Chinook. Option D will be correct. So this was the first part. Do keep tuned for the next parts of the videos. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel.